Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will guide you how you can install MovieBox Pro on Hisense Smart TV. So these are very simple and easy. I will show you two methods. You can use both of them. The first one is via USB. Now for that, just open your Hisense Smart TV and enable unknown sources. Now in order to enable unknown sources, you have to follow this route. First of all, go to settings in your Hisense TV. Then in settings, choose device preferences, then security, then enable unknown sources. So you have to follow this path. Now after when you enable unknown sources, now download MovieBox APK via any browser on your computer and then install or copy this into your USB. Now when you transfer into your USB, just insert your USB into your Hisense Smart TV and just install via USB. Now in order to install, just use File Manager to install this. So this is the first method that you can use. Now the second method is, if you don't want to use USB, you can also install downloader in your Hisense Smart TV. You can download this from Hisense App Store. When you download downloader, just simply open downloader, enter MovieBox Pro URL and just simply download and install Hisense Smart TV MovieBox Pro. So these are the two methods. You can use any of them. Thank you for watching.